Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to get detailed information about an error in a cell in Power Query. So let's start. I've got this Power Query editor open with me and I've got this data set where you can see on the last row, the fifth row, for column min I've got an error. So if I want to get more information about that, how do I go about doing that? So what I'll do is, in the Power Query editor, I'll go to the Add Column tab and click on Custom Column. And let's just say I'll say error details or something. I'll just call it error details, and I'll just put a try clause here, and then I'll just end it with the min column and click OK. And it gives me the error details with which is a record. So I expand that, and I'll just click on load more to get all the details and click OK. So you can see it is telling me whether there's an error or not. And then it is giving me what is the value and then it says error details. So I again open this one and click OK, and it is giving me the reason. There's a data format error, and I'll keep scrolling. It says we couldn't convert to a number, and where we are getting the error. So if you want to handle errors for a particular cell, depending on the error you're getting, you need to get this information, and this is one way to get this information. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.